Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Weebly website, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you turn off the banner image in your Weebly website? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to turn off the banner image in your Weebly website anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that sometimes if you have a banner image, it kind of clutters your Weebly website. So for certain pages, it's better just to go ahead and turn it off. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Weebly website editor. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged my Weebly website editor, and this is the home screen. Now, if you want to turn off the banner image in your Weebly website, it's going to be handled on a page-by-page basis. So first, what you're going to do is here on the top left, you're going to go ahead and choose the page you want to turn it off. So for example, this one right here, this is a cool page. Okay, so you can see this one has this banner image right here. And in order to turn it off, you're going to hover over the different sections and hover over this one called main banner. It's in blue right now, so it's appearing. But if you click it over, it's going to turn white and blue, and you can see it disappears. But this is only for one page. So if you don't want a banner image in any of your pages, you have to do this one by one. So let's go back over here to the home page. Once you click there, you can see it's these people right here. And off to the left, main banner, it's in blue. So we'll just turn that off, and you can see it gets removed. Once you're done, you're going to click on publish here on the top right. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to remove the banner image in your Weebly website, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.